How to day trade for a living? Gone are the days when trading was just limited to the people in the financial sector working in large financial firms, brokerages, and trading houses. But over the past few years, things have changed drastically. Online trading and growth of discount brokerages, merged with instant dissemination of news around the world, changed the entire game of trading. And the overall volume, volatility, and sheer action that we have seen in the year 2020 are insane. As more and more people are trying to adapt, this makes a great opportunity to learn how to day trade for a living. Well, as many people are joining the market, that's why this age is considered the golden age of trading, making the market amazingly volatile because there is too much happening in the market. And it implies that there are many setups to study and practice if you want to trade properly and want to day trade for a living. So, how exactly can you learn day trading to make a living? This video is going to cover all the basics, and we will be answering some of the common questions that are surely going to help you out. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, let's talk about the most common question that people ask about day trading. Can they make a living with day trading? The short answer is yes, you can. Because there are a lot of people already in trading, and they day trade for a living. However, just like everything else in life that is worthy, it is not that easy. Because successful traders are not just trading regularly, but they put huge amounts of energy, time, and money to meet their objectives. So, you have to do all of this if you want to be a successful day trader. Keep in mind that trading is risky, and you have to be careful about it before you start. Some people make millions of dollars, but that's not always the case. It requires enough hard work, commitment, and dedication with a solid plan. Make sure to consider how much money and time you can put into it. Considering these also helps ensure career longevity in day trading. However, if you do not study or are not able to manage your risks smartly, your career in trading can end in just one trade. That's why you must properly research and understand things. Moreover, you can also join that mentorship program that can help in that regard with daily discussions, community, and webinars. Here are some quick tips that you need to know before you start trading. Always start small and keep things simple, because when you try to do more things, you can complicate things for yourself, and it might get harder for you to learn and grow. A good trading strategy is always the simplest one, as it is a continuous process in which you learn things when you get involved. Another thing that you should consider if you are doing a job is to not quit until you make some significant results in trading. That's because trading is risky, and it is highly recommended to not get into a position where you have to rely on your profits for daily needs. Rather, it is highly suggested that you make your trading career a side hustle until or unless you are confident about your skills and knowledge. Also, make sure to be realistic about profits. Setting a high target for profits can blow up your account, so go for smaller and realistic targets when it comes to profit. Let's quickly discuss how day trading works. Primarily, it's buying a financial instrument or a stock at a cheap price and selling it at a higher or a good price. There are many other strategies to do trading, but this is the basic concept. And specifically, in the case of day trading, as the name suggests, you trade more frequently. Like, you do not purchase a stock and hold it for a long term, but you do this process daily. You buy stocks and sell at a certain price as you have to complete your trades in a day. Day trading is not just limited to stocks, as you can trade shares of big companies such as Amazon or Apple Inc., or they can be penny stocks, which are the shares of small and less-known companies. Also, you can trade commodities like silver, gold, and crude oil. Before you decide to make a living with day trading, it is important to discuss the pros and cons associated with it. Let's quickly go over the potential advantages that come with day trading. Well, you indeed get financial freedom, and smart traders generate an extra source of income with it. Also, it doesn't have to be a full-time career, because if you trade part-time, you can also get significant gains over time. Another advantage is that you can trade from the comfort of your home without the stress of going to the office. You can work with flexible hours almost from anywhere in the world. Also, you can be your boss because you don't have to answer anyone, as you can set your schedule and can work accordingly. In addition, it is a pretty useful skill if you make it work for you, as you will always be able to navigate the market with your skill. Last but not least, it is exciting because it can bring purpose to your life as you grow. And you will be able to grab substantial returns depending on how good you are at trading. What are the cons of day trading? Just like everything else in the world, day trading also has some cons. First of all, the risk is the biggest factor, as you can lose money even if you understand what you are doing. But there is a strong possibility that you will make a mistake. It is a relatively risky business, as you may lose more money in a short time. Additionally, you have to invest a huge amount of time. If you want to trade properly, then you have to invest your time in research and studying about it. It's not going to be a smooth sailing experience. Rather, you are going to face some lessons and failures. However, you are going to love the process when you indulge yourself completely. Another factor that is important to consider is the emotional roller coaster. Because you will be facing a lot of highs and lows, you have to stay persistent with managing your emotions. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. 3 best ways to start day trading. Let's discuss 3 best ways that you can follow to start making a living with day trading. Number 1, make sure to do proper research and study. As discussed earlier, if you want to be successful in day trading, then you have to learn every aspect of it. And it would not be wrong to say that it is the most common thing among all successful traders that they continuously learn and make their plans. So, if you want to be one of them, then you have to put a significant amount of time into studying things, as it will take some time to pick up the right skill for you. Number 2, trade with money you can lose. Trading is a roller coaster ride, and anything can happen. As the most experienced traders can also lose money because it's part of the game that you are not going to win all trades. And the probability of losing becomes higher, especially if you are a beginner. So, it is recommended to utilize that money in trading that you can afford to lose when you are starting your trading journey. However, if you trade with the money that you use for your daily life necessities or bills, then you are setting a trap for yourself, and you will fail badly. Number 3, begin with paper trading. Every beginner starts awkwardly, specifically in complicated things like day trading the stock market. It is recommended to allow yourself to make mistakes and make initial months a trial where you will make errors. With more errors or mistakes, you are going to learn things more clearly. Thankfully, technology enables us to utilize real-time data to mimic a trading environment. And paper trading is the best thing because you can practice trading without using real money. A platform like Stocks to Trade offers robust paper trading features so that you can polish your skills without the risk of losing your money. Now, let's discuss some of the basic steps that are going to help you to make a living as a day trader. Before that, keep in mind that you have to keep learning and improving if you want to become successful in this sector. If you are looking to put in a little bit of effort and want to make money with it, then it's better to do anything else. Because it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a never-ending process, and you have to be consistent if you want to make a living from it. The following steps will surely help you get started in your day trading journey. Number 1, selecting your broker. Before you start trading, you will require an account with a stock brokerage. You can choose the best broker that is suitable for your requirements out of the many brokers currently available. So, it is important to be the right one, as these brokers are not the same, and some of them are made for some specific strategies. Make sure to conduct thorough research, as it will help you a lot in selecting the right broker for you. Number 2 is building your strategy. As you all know, there is a lot of risk in trading, but you can minimize or even limit the risk if you have the right strategy. Follow the right approach and learn how you can understand chart patterns. Don't just get into the trade if a stock is moving. Rather, look for the patterns, whether it's the upward, downward, or consolidated trend, and decide which one trend will work according to your strategy and plan. Well, with experience, you can make an excellent strategy, and you will be able to spot the right pattern for your portfolio. Number 3, make a trading journal. In day trading, it is crucial to track your trades in a journal. Well, this is an important factor that you are going to love later on. Trading is overwhelming because there are a lot of things to learn in this process. But tracking your previous trades will surely help you organize better. You will be able to calculate where you are lacking, and you can give more time to your weaknesses. Not just that, you can also evaluate your mistake and then adjust for your next trade. In short, there are many things in the process of trading, as you may not remember everything, so it is important to make a journal for yourself. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.